Hello, I'm Silvia Dall'Agata. I'm a area manager for Western Europe in CEPI. CEPI is a family-run business of 40 years in the design, production, installation, and commissioning of a complete system for bulk handling, transport, and dosing of ingredients. The history of CEPI has been very successful. We grew a lot over the last 10 years, and 2 years ago we moved to our new factory. We have now 15,000 square meters production field with the testing facilities for our research and development. So by handling usually is identified with silos, but it's not the silos. It's more than silos. It's a complete installation, complete set of equipment capable to provide the facilities and technologies for handling the material and deliver a complete installation, including the automation we have in our factory. So for us, it's strategic to deliver a turnkey solution where the customer is supported 100%. Now, circular economy is really a must, and we, with our installation, we think we are really inside the circular economy because our systems are durable. We try to reduce the waste, try to recycle, to be more friendly with environment and produce solution. Also from our customers, we receive requests about circular economy and being really providing durable equipment. And we were supported with this study. And our result is quite good because in a scale between 0 and 1, we have a rate of 0.8. We provide equipment, but we also develop and research new technologies specific for the confectionery, and mainly we can talk about sugar mill, inverted sugar equipment, cold fat metering, or everything integrated with a fully automatic system, automation, collection of data for traceability. So we always look forward, always trying to find new solution, research, development, high attention to the customer need, and we keep going forward for new technologies.